Okay, another quick unboxing video. This time it's for the SteelSeries Rival 710 Elite Performance Gaming Mouse. It's just arrived from SteelSeries. It's in the bag that they pack it in. So we'll open that up and have a quick look. Same size box to the other ones, I think. But let's see what we get inside it. There's the seal at the back. So we'll just open that. Click that down. And have a look. Nice glossy box. So here is the actual mouse. Important. Okay, it just says put the cable in, well, I suppose horizontally in that case, and vertically in that case, so that you don't wiggle it. So there's the mouse, removable sensor. So you get the mouse, obviously, and there's a little box here. Does that come out? That doesn't come out, but that's obviously where the mouse lives. There's a substantial box too. So in here we have got, that's the empty box, a thick plastic cable and a braided cable. I think, judging by the size of the bundle, the braided cable is longer. So if you're taking your mouse but leaving your main machine behind, obviously you've got two cables that you can interchange, so you can just unplug that, leave that on the desk. You haven't got to reach around the back of the machine. Otherwise, yeah, okay. So obviously they thought that was a good idea. And the box here, there's a little compartment which has got product information guide, which usually in different language just says go to the website and download the software. So you get two cables, interchangeable, the mouse, some nice boxes, and the booklet. Yeah, so it's a mouse really. Any questions, stick them in the comments, and thanks for watching. Just before I go, very quick little addition for some things that sprung to mind after I'd finished the first bit of this. Obviously the cable's detached. Once you peel the sticker off, there is a little hole where it connects in, and there's a little latch on it. The cables themselves, the thicker plastic rubberized one, is 1 meter long, and the braided one, which I prefer because it's a bit less rigid, is twice as long, so it's 2 meters. So you get a 1 meter rubberized and a 2 meter braided. As I say, I prefer the braided because the rubberized one is a little bit less flexible. One of the criticisms you might have is when you connect it, will it rub against your mouse mat? So let's just fit it in and see what happens. So it goes in the hole, and we'll give it a press, and that's it clicked in, and that is actually completely flush. So it's completely flush with the base. So these feet raise it up, and when I look at it that way, it is bending upwards. So it does look like some criticism that you might have for the cable isn't really valid. If you push it in properly, it's fine. Obviously SteelSeries are going to think of that, surely. That would be a bit insane if they didn't. So that catch is actually pretty secure. That's not going anywhere. So that is essentially, that's a wired mouse now. That's completely connected, and you press that and it pops out, and then you can go off to your LAN party and use your extra lead without having to scrabble around the back of your PC and unplug your mouse. So, or bind the mouse. So that's quite nice if you do LAN parties and things. I'm just going to use the braided one because it's more flexible than the plastic. But that's obviously a feature that's fairly specific to this mouse. Obviously the ones without cables are completely wireless, and there is a wireless version of the 600 series. The 650 I think is the wireless one. So if you want wireless, that's the one you get. But this is got an interesting feature with the removable cable. It's got an interesting feature with the swappable sensor, although they might not be taking full advantage of that, I don't know. And it's got a little screen on the side. Well, we can probably do without the screen, but I'll have a little play with it, and then maybe I'll make a video about it. And it's got the vibration too, this one, which could be interesting, but I'm not sure what that's going to tell me that I don't already know. Like, do I set it to vibrate when I'm dead? Well, I'll know that, won't I? So yeah, it might maybe vibrate when something's recharged. You know, if you've got a special weapon that's on recharge and you can't be bothered to look at the obvious indicator that says your special weapon's recharged, you can set it to vibrate when it is. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, so don't worry about the cable putting in, because it goes in fine. Any other questions about it, pop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. And once again, thanks for watching.